Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and all its incredible creatures. I'm your host, David, and I'm thrilled to have you joining me on this journey today. As we step out into the great outdoors, we find ourselves in the midst of a fascinating story about one of the most majestic and elusive big cats in the world, the Javan Leopard. These stunning animals are found only on the island of Java in Indonesia, and their numbers are sadly dwindling due to habitat loss, hunting, and human-wildlife conflict. But today, we have some exciting news to share with you. A recent camera trap sighting in Mount Lawu, a protected forest landscape in Java, has confirmed that these incredible creatures still roam the island's forests. This is a significant discovery, not just because it shows that Javan leopards are still present in the area, but also because it highlights the importance of conservation efforts to protect their habitat and prevent further decline. The Javan leopard is a critically endangered species, with estimates suggesting that there are only around 2,500 individuals remaining in the wild. Their habitat is shrinking at an alarming rate, with over 1,300 square kilometers of suitable habitat lost between 2000 and 2020. This not only affects the leopards themselves, but also has a ripple effect on the entire ecosystem, impacting other species that share their habitat. Conservationists are working tirelessly to protect the Javan leopard and its habitat. The Java-wide Leopard Survey, a collaborative initiative led by Indonesia's Ministry of Environment and Forestry, is using hundreds of camera traps and genetic analysis of fecal samples to comprehensively assess the population status, structure, and prey preferences of Javan leopards across the remaining habitats throughout the island. This groundbreaking project aims to complete all data collection and analysis by the first quarter of 2026, with the goal of informing the development of a comprehensive conservation strategy for the Javan leopard. It's a crucial step towards safeguarding the future of this incredible species and the ecosystem it inhabits. As we take a moment to appreciate the beauty and majesty of the Javan leopard, we're reminded of the importance of preserving our natural world for future generations. The story of these amazing animals is just one example of the many fascinating tales waiting to be told in the world of nature. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we continue our journey through the natural world, we find ourselves exploring the fascinating realm of birds and the impact of human activities on their behavior. Today, we're going to delve into two intriguing stories that highlight the complex relationships between humans and avian species. First, let's travel to New Zealand, where conservation efforts are underway to protect endangered bird species. Photographer Robin Hammond has been documenting these efforts, and his work reveals a glimmer of hope for the future of these incredible creatures. The kiwi, the taka, and other flightless birds have been struggling to survive due to habitat loss, predation, and other human-induced threats. However, thanks to dedicated conservationists and researchers, we're seeing a resurgence in populations and a renewed sense of optimism. Hammond's photographs showcase not only the beauty of these birds, but also the tireless work of those committed to their preservation. From releasing Takahi birds back into the wild to monitoring the health of kiwi chicks, every effort counts in the fight against extinction. As we gaze upon the images of these remarkable birds, we're reminded of the importance of preserving biodiversity and the delicate balance of ecosystems. Now, let's shift our attention to a different part of the world, where urbanization is having a profound impact on bird behavior. A recent study has found that light pollution in cities is causing birds to stay awake longer each day. By analyzing millions of bird recordings submitted by citizen scientists, researchers discovered that birds in light-polluted areas are singing for an average of 50 minutes longer each day, with some species waking up an hour earlier and settling down for the evening an hour later. This phenomenon has significant implications for our understanding of how human activities affect wildlife. As urban areas continue to expand, it's essential that we consider the consequences of light pollution on bird behavior and develop strategies to mitigate its effects. By working together, we can create more bird-friendly cities and reduce the disruption caused by artificial lighting. As we reflect on these two stories, we're reminded of the intricate relationships between humans and the natural world. Whether it's conservation efforts in New Zealand or the impact of light pollution in urban areas, our actions have a profound impact on the world around us. As we strive to coexist with nature, it's essential that we prioritize sustainability, conservation, and a deeper understanding of the complex interactions between species. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I hope you've been enjoying our journey through the fascinating world of science and discovery. As we near the end of today's episode, I'd like to take a moment to share with you an intriguing story about the cutting-edge research being done in the field of molecular biology. Imagine a tiny dual-key regulator that can control the interactions between two crucial cellular components, mitochondria and lysosomes. This innovative concept has been explored by a team of scientists who have developed a cooperatively activated DNA regulator that can precisely manage these interactions. The implications of this research are vast, with potential applications in understanding and treating various diseases related to mitochondrial dysfunction. The study, published in a recent issue of Nature Communications, highlights the complexity and beauty of cellular biology. By designing a dual-key system, the researchers have been able to unlock new insights into the mechanisms that govern mitochondrial-lysosome interactions. This breakthrough has far-reaching implications for our understanding of cellular homeostasis and may lead to novel therapeutic strategies. As we explore the natural world, it's essential to appreciate the intricate relationships between different components of living systems. The research on this dual-key regulator reminds us of the awe-inspiring complexity and precision that underlies the workings of cells, tissues, and organisms. So, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible advances being made in molecular biology and the dedicated scientists who are pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Their work inspires us to continue exploring, learning, and marveling at the wonders of the natural world. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring your natural world.